And in this tutorial I will show you exactly how I was able to earn this amount of UIV token, which is about 5,000 UIV token, um within, like, without doing anything really seriously. So it is not really as difficult as you think. I think last year I got to know about Uhive token last year, about a centralized social media platforms, okay, that rewards people with crypto. So I quickly made a video about it. I introduced people within my community to rate, like, okay, if you would like to earn crypto without actually investing money in crypto, then this might be a very good opportunity for you. So there was, I think there were friends who actually enjoyed the platform. They post, they like, they share, and they were getting UIV token like on a consistent basis. So I made a video about it, and some other guys were actually making some money from it. And I've really helped quite a number of people to get started. On UHIV platform, the UIV platform. So, but ever since then, to be honest with you, I've not been active. I've not had time to make posts. I've not had time to comment and like other people's posts. I've been really been engaged, doing some other things in the crypto space. So, but today I decided to, like, oh, let me even check it out. Let me see what's up with the platform. Then lo and behold, I found this amount of token right here. So I did that. How did I achieve it? How did I get it? I'm going to explain everything to you. But before I actually move on, before I continue with that, I want you guys to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is a crypto niche YouTube channel. I want you to turn on your notification button, subscribe, like the video, make a comment down below. Let me know what you think about things I've taught you today. Okay, so there are a bunch of playlists here that you can gain a lot of insight from. Okay, bunch of playlists here. There is a playlist on beginner's guide to crypto trading, as you can see. So playlist on crypto arbitrage, so there's a bunch of stuff to learn from this channel. So just make sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell, and invite your friends also. So that said, I'm gonna go back to Uhive now. Okay, I'm gonna go back to Uhive now, and probably if you have any question with what I've said so far, let me know in the comment box, right? So this is my username, which is content king. It is asking me to post in content king. Okay, so you can create some other username. So this is content king right here, as you can see. So you can have something like crypto nature or content king, like a personal or business account with the same Uhive account. All right, that's a choice. It depends on you. So let me go to my accounts so I can show you guys some stuff. This is my account. Let me go to my wallets. Okay, so this is what I have in my wallets, as you can see. So if I go through my history, okay, let me scroll down to my history. You can see today is December 3rd. Yeah, I got plus 600 UIV. On November 20, I got plus 600. September 28th this year, I got 600 about 11:16 a.m. Then July, I got plus 200. July plus 200. June, I got what's this? Let me view all so they can have an idea of how it looks like. So since May, since May this year, I've been receiving some amount of Uhive token up to now. But recently they increased their invitation reward to 600. So that is why you are saying 600. Okay, 600 in 3 places, 200 in how many places? Okay, so, but to be honest with you, I've not really been active here. I got a gift of plus 500 some times ago from someone because I was active on the platform. And ever since then I've already been active. Really, that's a very bad thing, anyways. So, what did I do? How am I getting all of these since I'm not active? It was through invitation. Okay, I didn't actually spam anyone. I didn't spam any group. I didn't spam any community. I didn't force anyone to join. So what I did was I leverage on YouTube. Okay, I leverage on YouTube. So I created a video on YouTube. If I go to home, is it home? Okay, I created a video on YouTube like how to make money every day on Uhive. Okay, how to make money every day on Uhive. That was the video I created, and I did some SEO on the video. And between last year and now, the video has generated over 5,000 views. Okay, over 5,000 views. And how many signups did I get? Let me count the number of signups that I got. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, I think I got total of 17 referrals from YouTube, obviously, because I didn't promote the link whatsoever since then. So if you want to achieve the same thing, all you have to do is probably to create a video. If you have a YouTube channel, create a video, or probably you can write an article if you want. Okay, then invite people, tell them to use your invite link to sign up. It doesn't cost them anything. Then you're going to be rewarded. Okay, you can see that at some point the reward for invitation was 100 U. Okay, then later it increased to 200 U, then later it increased to 600 U. Who knows, it might actually be 1,000 U in the next few months. Okay, so assuming that, I did actually pay to promote it. I just leverage on the traffic that is coming from YouTube, and people are watching it. And if you check on YouTube now, this video is probably ranking as number 1 or number 2, number 3, or number 4 on YouTube, as far as you search for anything you have on YouTube channel. So I optimize it to that extent. And as part of things I would love to do in the crypto spaces, I would love to teach people how to create create and optimize a YouTube channel. Okay, these are things I would love to teach you guys: how to build a crypto channel. Okay, especially in the bear market like this, how you can build a crypto channel and how you can make money from YouTube without even and how you can make money on YouTube without even getting monetized. Okay, probably when you're just getting started on YouTube, it might take you 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, sometimes to actually be able to join the YouTube monetization program. Okay, so if you want to join the YouTube monetization program, it takes some time. So, but there are several ways you can actually make money on YouTube without having to get monetized yet. Okay, so even if you don't have up to 1,000 subscribers, you don't even have up to 2,000 subscribers, you can still make money on YouTube. Okay, in as much as people are viewing your videos, and it is right there, and people are searching on YouTube and they are finding your video valuable, then you're supposed to be making money from that. So I've actually had a lot of these. I've had a lot of videos where I added my affiliate link, and passive income has been coming through that. Honestly, you just make a video once. Imagine that video I uploaded since last year. You make a video once, you upload it to YouTube, you optimize it for search, and that's all. Okay, the traffic keeps coming, and people watch videos more than they read articles these days. Okay, so that's gonna be like a course on how to make money with a crypto channel. That's going to be like a course very soon. Okay, so just stick around, subscribe to the channel. I don't know, maybe that course should be free, or maybe you guys should be allowed to pay a stipend. I don't know yet, but I think very soon, probably by next year, I'll decide on that. So that's pretty much what you need to know about how I was able to achieve this. And if you want to achieve the same thing, that is exactly how you can go about it. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell, like the video, leave me a comment, let me know what you think about these things I've shared with you today. All right, so that is all for now. And let me even tell you this before I go. Let's assume that I want to maybe stake it. I can stake it if I want to even get more Hive, probably in the future. If that is what I want, I can stake it. Can you see? I can stake everything, like everything. Sorry about that. I can stake everything. Okay. Then when I stake everything, I'll be making some returns like from this. So end of duration, is limited to pools per duration. Once the pool phase, you can no longer stake on that duration. All right. So for 1 year now, I know only 365 days available, so I can just decide to stake on that. Okay, let me see. I can't stay for 180 days any longer. So that is really how it works. So if you think that this coin has a future, then you can stake it for 1 year, and it will be there. Okay, it will be there, and you can get some reward for staking it, for a while. So that's pretty much how it works. So also, aside that, I think I can even go to store, buy a bunch of stuff right there. Okay, like asset and NFTs, buy virtual land. Okay, if I want, I can explore this and buy virtual land, buy more space names. Okay, if I want, okay, buy digital collection. I can go to the marketplace, and buy some NFTs. If I think that the NFT is going to make sense later on, okay, I can buy them, and sell them later. This is their marketplace. So this guy, they're actually building, and they have a lot of prospects in the future. So if you look at this now, you can even create your own NFT if you want. Okay, you can create your own NFT. Or when people buy it, then you're going to be paid for it if that is what you want. All right. So that is pretty much what you need to learn about Uhive. And now I was able to get like over about 5,000 U tokens without actually doing anything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe once again, and turn on the notification bell. So bye for now, and have a great day.